Free. High five. High five. Oh.
Free. Bye. Okay.
High five. Yeah.
Look. Oh, they're a good girl.
Betty Rob, Betty Rob, Betty Rob. Betty Rob. High five. High five. No? High five. Yeah. High five. Cruising around. It's pretty icy out, so it's kind of weird. And I was driving Josh's car the other night for about an hour or so, not even half an hour. So I'm used to his car, so his gas is a little bit different than ours, since brakes are a lot different. So it's interesting, but I'm doing fine. Yeah, hope you guys have a good day.
Anyways, had a lot of fun, and I did just this little, I don't know, 2-minute, maybe 3-minute bit of plagiarized stand-up comedy. Anyways, woo-wee, she was a lot of fun. If there is such a bug to catch when it comes to doing stand-up, it bit a bit hard. I've got the itch to do stand-up again. It was good fun. Lots of laughs, and it was really cool hearing people leave the church on Sunday night saying, "Wow, I really needed that. I can't remember the last time I laughed." And sometimes I think as churches we tend to spiritualize that stuff, spiritualize everything sometimes. But really, when it comes right down to it, people need to chuckle, people need to laugh, and even though science can't really explain laughter, it's something that everybody needs for sure. Have a milk bone.
Good girl. Come here. Go.
That's my boy.
And we're back from Braden's Christmas concert, his very first Christmas concert in junior high, and he did a fantastic job. And as you've seen, I don't know if it actually shows in the video, but you can hear everybody cheer right after a stick drop. We've got a crying dog.
You haven't got enough attention yet, have you?
He certainly hasn't got enough attention. I know how it feels.
Do it for the vlog.
Come here, Pooch. Okay. Then you got him? Okay.
It's our.
Anyways, we are back from an incredible evening of Christmas music, and my ears didn't even bleed. So, junior high music. There you go. It was some good stick handling, or non-stick handling, from the Brador. It was awesome. It was hilarious. It was good fun.
Super dog.
Don't do that. You're showing the dog's privies. Anyways, we're going to close off the vlog right now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient. We're really, really, really old and forgetful, Shauna and I, so we don't vlog enough. And then days like Sunday night, when we're going to put up Monday morning's vlog, there's just not enough there. So we didn't. there you go. Still have a bit of a cold. Shauna's starting to get a bit of a cold. Hopefully we'll get rid of it all in time for Christmas when we get to meet. We get to see Sean and Cheryl, and we get to meet baby Olivia. Can't wait to meet baby Olivia. So until next time, turn that frown upside down. Cheers.